Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is November 16th, 2019. This is my 28th episode about linear algebra and threading building blocks. In episode 26, we implemented type functions for matrix, and in episode 27, we implemented type functions for signed command T, unsigned command T. And in this episode, this is third episode about type function. We will create type functions for vectors. When we implement algorithm for matrix, we also need algorithms for vector because each row of a matrix or each column of a matrix is a vector, so we also need type functions for vector. In this episode, I will implement type functions for vectors. If you haven't watched my previous episode, episode 27, please watch it by clicking this link. I will post this script in the description section below. If you scroll down in the description section, you can find download source code episode 27. Please double click it to download the source code from our previous episode. If download completes, please unzip it, rename 28 type functions for matrix 3. Copy, paste it to your working folder. This is my working folder. Start Visual Studio Code. Open the folder. Collapse folder 27, expand folder 28. Open Template Font matrix2d.hpp. Ctrl V. Scroll up. Right click Template Font types.hpp. Go to definition. In our previous episode, I made a mistake. Signed command type, I put this code in the wrong place in our last episode. Cut. Then scroll down. Right before end of namespace hidden, line 3415, paste it here. We have to put it here. Fixed like this. Now scroll up. Matrix2d HPP. In this file, namespace hidden, end of namespace hidden. Template, type name, type, struct, st, vector type. This is primary construct, static, context sphere, bool, value, false, static, context sphere, bool, thread, safe, false. Using type, types, no type T. Using allocator type, types, no type T. This is our primary template. Copy, paste, element type, template, type name, class, allocator type. We make specialization std, vector, element type, allocator type. Here, element type. Then this is vector, so it should be true. This is not thread safe. Element type. This is element type. This is allocator type. Allocator type. Sorry, I have to close one more angle bracket. Now copy once again. Copy, paste. This is another specialization, TBB, concurrency vector. Thread safe true. Y is squiggle. Concurrent vector. Okay? It should be concurrent vector. Now here, outside of namespace hidden, template, type name, type, context sphere, bool is vector b. We call this type copy, paste, type, value. We should put namespace hidden like this. Now I copy once again. Is vector is safe vector. Then it is thread safe. Then allocator. This is type using vector element t, type name. It should be type, paste, vector allocator t. It is allocator type. So we defined these type names, type functions. Vector allocator t, vector element t is safe vector b. If we need more information, then we will add later. Now here, I will delete this file. I will delete skin cat. Copy. Paste. Rename. Type VCTR. Hit enter. Now here, void test. Type functions for vectors. Matrix. I will test two scalable fast vector, double SFV, double scalar stream SFV a vector. You can say matrix is vector DECL type SFV, and there stream is scalar of vector, matrix is vector V DECL type scalar, and there stream element of SFV, element type of SFV. using ELE SFVT matrix vector element T DECL type SFV. Talk play fun. Get type name ELE SFV T. Is SFV thread safe? Matrix is vector, is safe vector, DECL type, SFV, and there. Now we call this function copy, paste, start command prompt, dir cd 28 type functions for matrix 3. clang std C++ 17 type vctr cpp ltbb malloc. Hit enter. Hit enter. CLS. So SFV of vector true. Is scalar a vector? This scalar is not vector. False. Element type of SFV. Element type is double. Correct. SFV thread safe. False. Now I will create another one. I will copy up to this point. Paste. Then I will create another one. It is a scalable safe vector. SSV. SSV a vector like this. ELE SSV. 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 We build again. We built again. A. So is SSV a vector? True, because SSV is a vector. Element type of SSV, it is double. SSV thread safe. True. This is thread safe container. So this way we created type functions for vector type. I haven't explained the details about these things. For more information about these type functions, please refer to my other videos. By watching this series of videos, Template Metaprogramming, you can learn more about how all these type functions work. In future episodes, I will use these type functions to implement algorithms for our matrix class. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.